Hi, I'm Raquel Graham from Press Tin Panels. I've been involved in the restoration industry since the late 1980s. For this project we were commissioned through CJ Duncan Builders to match existing Wunderlich press metal cornice and borders, which were reproduced from supplied samples and photos of the existing pieces. Once completed, Andrew Paulson from AGP Property Services completed the installation. Over the years, Press Tin Panels has worked extensively with heritage societies, architects, designers, builders and the like all across the globe. We specialise in custom designs and we also specialise in cost saving for restoration rather than replacing where possible.